Introducing the 2019 Volkswagen Tiguan HL 2.0tdi M6F 150HP 5-door in sleek grey exterior. Featuring a powerful 2-litre diesel engine, manual transmission and luxurious Estatejeep body style, this vehicle is a dream to drive. Packed with comfort and safety features like satellite navigation, multiple airbags and collision avoidance braking. With a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer servicing and comprehensive warranty, you can buy with confidence. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us today or visit michaelmoore.ie for more information on this top-of-the-line Tiguan. Drive away in style and comfort in this premium Volkswagen SUV.